Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, fellow gearheads. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best spark plugs for ultimate performance. Whether you're a speed demon or a precision driver, these plugs will ignite your engine's potential. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's rev up and dive in. Number 1. NGK's LTR69-11 Iridium Spark Plug. Crafted with precision and performance in mind, this 6-piece set ensures your engine runs smoother and more efficiently. The advanced iridium construction guarantees durability and longevity, while the fine-tipped electrode promotes optimal spark and combustion. Engineered to fit seamlessly into various vehicles, these plugs boast superior ignition capability, enhancing fuel economy and power output. Say goodbye to misfires and hello to consistent performance with NGK's LTR69-11 spark plugs, a must-have upgrade for any automotive enthusiast. Number 2. E3 Spark Plugs E3.36 Powersports Spark Plug. Engineered for high-performance engines, this plug delivers unparalleled ignition power and efficiency. Its advanced diamond fire technology ensures optimal combustion for increased fuel efficiency and power output. With its rugged construction, it withstands extreme temperatures and pressures, making it perfect for power sports enthusiasts. Plus, its anti-fouling design keeps your engine running smoothly even in the toughest conditions. Upgrade to the E3.36 and experience the difference in your ride's performance. Number 3. Bosch 9614 OE Fine Wire Double Iridium Spark Plug boasts top-tier performance for your vehicle. Engineered with precision, its double iridium design ensures optimal conductivity and durability, promising consistent ignition and improved fuel efficiency. The OE Fine Wire technology enhances ignition reliability, maximizing engine power and reducing emissions. With its advanced engineering and trusted brand reliability, the Bosch 9614 OE Spark Plug delivers unparalleled performance and longevity for your vehicle's engine. Upgrade now and experience smoother rides and enhanced engine performance. Number 4. Denso IK16 Iridium Power Spark Plugs. Upgrade your ignition system with these high-performance plugs. Engineered for racing enthusiasts, the IK16 delivers unparalleled power and reliability. With a durable iridium construction, these plugs offer exceptional longevity and superior conductivity, ensuring optimal engine performance. Experience smoother acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced throttle response with Denso IK16. Upgrade your ride today and unleash the full potential of your engine with these premium spark plugs. Number 5. Autolite Iridium XP Automotive Replacement Spark Plugs, XP985. Engineered for peak performance and durability, these plugs ensure optimal combustion, enhancing fuel efficiency and engine power. The advanced iridium technology offers superior wear resistance and longevity, extending the lifespan of your engine. Designed with precision, they provide reliable ignition in all conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters. Experience smoother acceleration and consistent engine performance with Autolite Iridium XP Spark Plugs, XP985. Upgrade your ride today. In conclusion, selecting the right spark plugs can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance. Whether you prioritize durability, power, or fuel efficiency, there's a plug out there for you. Remember to assess your needs, consult experts, and consider factors like material and design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates videos.